Hello everybody and welcome to Mad Scientist Club. Today we're going to be making our own lava lamp. You need something clear. I'm using this so that you can see it well, but you can use an empty water bottle, anything that's clear you can use to make your homemade lava lamp. It's very simple to do. First thing you do is you take 3/4 of a cup of water, just a little bit more, okay? Then you take vegetable oil and you slowly put it in. I'm going to use the back of a fork to help slowly pour some oil in. Because we want the oil, because oil will stay on top of water. That's why the old saying, oil and water don't mix. Salad dressing, that's why you have to shake it up if it has oil and vinegar, or if it has some water in it also, you have to shake it up. Now your container doesn't have to be as big as mine, but I wanted it to be large so that you could see it. Let me get a paper towel here so I can put my fork on it. There we go. All right. I got regular vegetable oil because I wanted a light colored oil. And I'm going to zoom in so you can see, because you can see the difference with the oil being on top and the water being on the bottom. The next step is to take food coloring. And we're going to put 10 drops. And we wait for it to get to the bottom. Because once it gets to the bottom, it's going to hit the water, and we're going to turn the water blue. Doesn't want to break the barrier. Well, you know what they say, patience is a virtue. As you can see, the blue has now finally gotten to the bottom. Of course, I added more blue than I was supposed to because it wasn't going fast enough. So remember, be very patient. I'm going to do it a different way this time, in that I'm going to put it here in my Tri-Wizard cup. Here's my water. But I'm going to put the color in this time, and let's see what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm also going to be using baby oil instead of cooking oil this time. So plus this is clear, and being clearer, we'll see what happens. Plus I think it's going to look neat inside this cup because this cup has a light. But let's do our first one. The other thing you need, and please make sure you get your parents to help you, is Alka-Seltzer, an Alka-Seltzer tablet. You take your Alka-Seltzer tablet, and you're supposed to break it in half, but this one was already broken. So you drop your Alka-Seltzer in, and when it hits the water, it's going to start bubbling. And once it starts bubbling, it's going to start moving the blue around. Let's zoom in on that so you can see it. And there's our homemade lava lamp. Now, of course, it doesn't have any light in it. But let's see what happens when I turn on the light. And drop the Alka-Seltzer in. And of course it will bubble until your Alka-Seltzer is gone. I'm going to turn off the light so we can see it in the dark. It's still going, but you can't see it real well. I used, I think, too much of the blue in it, maybe. But anyway, as long as your Alka-Seltzer goes, so does your lava lamp. So I hope you will try to do this at home sometime. Remember, you need oil, either a light vegetable oil or baby oil. You need water, and you need food coloring. And of course, your Alka-Seltzer. Well, as we leave today, I'm going to put another Alka-Seltzer in each one so that you can watch it do it again. Goodbye, everybody.